So this is horizontal and vertical dimension tool. This is angular dimension. You click your left mouse button, drag, and you can create a angle. If I click again, it will show you the angle from where exactly you want the angle size to be described. Okay, what you do is it select this tool. This is angular dimension tool. Click once and click once. By clicking, drag it till wherever you want to. Leave the mouse. Again you drag it. If you drag the mouse, you see the circle inside the two, in between the two line, that keeps moving, and from wherever you want to measure the dimension, you again click it once. So from here it has calculated the dimension from here till here, 106.23 degree. That is the rotation of this particular angle. So this is how it calculates the dimension. We'll see again. This is angular dimension tool. You click once. By clicking, you will drag. Leave the mouse. Leave your mouse click, and then again drag, and see wherever you want to keep your dimension. Okay, if you click second, at the second line, this second particular line, it stops there, and then the third click, and on the third, before the third click, the dimensions, the particular circle, what you see, this dimension keeps moving as you move your mouse, and it asks you where exactly the dimension is to be measured. So I want this dimension measured from near to this point, the joining point. I'll click here. This measures the dimension. This is in degrees, measuring the circle. Okay, in angular dimension, we click once, we'll drag, leave the mouse, click once, drag, leave the mouse, and again click once. So this particular, the second line, it ends wherever you want to end it. Click second time, it ends there. Then you can move the angular, this is the angular object. This angular object you can move anywhere from where you want to measure, and then again you click, you will get the final result, that is the angle has been measured. Okay, this is the use of that tool. And the other tool is the same thing. If you want to increase or decrease the decimal points, or increase the line width, height, size, etc. Okay, the third tool is segment dimension. This is to measure the segments, the drawn object, to measure the drawn object segment. This is to draw this is 3-point callout. So what you can do in this tool is, you draw an object, then you can type a text in the end. So that's by default. You go to this 3-point callout, you drag your mouse once, this is second, as soon as you end, you will get a text tool active, and here you can type any line or any degrees. Suppose if this is 25 centimeters, if I want to type, I can type it here. Okay, as soon as I change the size, the text size also keeps changing, because that's a single group size. Here you can change the line width, or you can change the arrows, and suppose you want to change the shape of this particular thing, the text. If you want this into box, you can do it from here. If you want this in dotted line, you can do it, you can change it from here. If you want the gap in between the line and the text, if you need to increase, you can do it from here. Okay, so we'll see again this particular tool. This is the 3-point callout. You select this tool, once you click on the mouse, drag once, leave your mouse, again you drag once, then you click again, that will end, and a text tool appears. Here you can type anything. Okay, once you type the tool, you click on the object. Here you can change the line width, the arrow shape, and the text text look. If you want this in circle, in a box, or in this type, you can change it here. You can change the gap between the text and the object. By clicking here, you can bring the text properties box. Okay, that's the use of 3-point callout tool.